You ever notice black people speak in sound effects? They give sound effects words. Like ask your white friend what is a mink, and they'll tell you it's a semi-aquatic mammal that's sometimes poached to make coats. Ask your black friend what is a mink, and he'll tell you it's the sound you make when you punch somebody. Mink, 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 mink. Many cooler sound effects, man. I can't think of one white people sound effect that has been given a name. Like we don't have a mink for punch. We got yeehaw, I guess, which is our sound effect for why am I on this horse?